All right, so it says compare the rates of effusion of nitrogen and chlorine at the same temperature and pressure. So since it's saying compare the rates of effusion, we're going to use the equation, what, Schultz? What's the equation for this?
Molar mass of the one gas divided by, or no, the square root of molar mass divided by the square root of molar mass on the row.
Perfect, great. Okay, so we have nitrogen and chlorine. And they're both Hinkelbrunks, right? So it's going to be N2, Cl2. So let's do nitrogen first. Nitrogen is 14.01 times 2. It's going to give us 28.02 grams per mole. Chlorine, if we look at the periodic table, is 35.45 times 2. That's going to give us 70.90 grams per mole. Which one do we put on the top? Kara, what do you think?
The chlorine.
Yeah, exactly, the chlorine, right? Because that's the larger molecular mass. So I'd like to put that one on the top. So I'm going to put Cl. I'm going to put on the bottom N2. Don't forget that square root, okay? All right. Now let's substitute some numbers. So we have this equals square root of 70.90 grams per mole. And then 28.02 grams per mole. What do we do next? What do you think? What do we do next? Schultz?
Would you divide the two?
Yeah, we could divide the two. So what I like to do, and I like that, is I would do big square root, put these numbers inside of it, so we could divide them first. You know what else I like to do? Cross out these grams per mole, so I don't have to write them again. So I'll divide these two. We'll get an answer. Let's make sure we can do this together. All right, 70.90 divided by 28.02. That'll give us all right, there's 4 sig figs over here, so 2.530. And that still needs to be square rooted, right? All right, let's square root that. Please try this in your calculator too. Make sure we get the right number. Square root of 2.530 equals 1.591 maybe? Anybody back me up? Yeah, you guys got that? All right, awesome, good. Okay, and then we need to write the sentence, right? Does anybody know what the sentence would be? What's the sentence? Yeah, Andrew.
Nitrogen diffuses 1.591 times faster than chlorine.
Good, yeah, good. All right, so nitrogen, what are we talking about? Effuses, yep. Effuses 1.591 times faster than chlorine gas. And that would be our answer for that one there. Great. All right, cool. So that was the homework. Hopefully you guys did pretty good on that.